Nice gains today in the stock index portfolio 34 with the S&P strategies leading the way up 6,100 in live trading, beating our hypotheticals as well. And I will go over the micros. I don't show the micros right here anymore because I'm not trading them live, but I will go over the charts for the hypotheticals here in a minute, and we'll go over the strategies for the E-minis and the micros in this setup right now. So live plus 6,100, first trading day of the week, up on the month, quarter, and year. We are at equity peaks as of today. We were at equity peaks on Friday, equity peaks again today. Good gains today as the S&P led the way, trading the chop, and we're going to go over the trades in the market. The S&P was 7 for 7, and you can see all the trades here. Adaptive moving average, one trade, plus 1162.50, 500 on tick wave ES. These are the 1 minute versions. They match, plus 1462.50 on opening chop. And so when we say 7 for 7, we're talking about how 7 strategies traded and the net profit after all 7 strategies was positive for each strategy. We're not talking about the individual trades because you see multiple trades on this one. Short, long, short. So nice trading there. Opening chop, one trade plus 250. Tick counter and dynamic turnaround plus 462.50. And then on chop news, short, long, short. The last trade was a loser, but up 800 on the day. And tick chop news, short, long, short, and then exited and then shorted again. Last trade was a loss, but plus 587.50 on the day. So if you go 7 for 7 based on the strategy count, if you go based on the trade count for the S&P, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the trades overall, I was counting the strategies with more than one trade. Overall, if you look at all the strategies, 12 of 14 on the S&P, capturing this back and forth price movement. So good trading today on the S&P. Nasdaq didn't take as many trades. Viper had 2 winners. EVP1 had 1 loser, 1 winner. EVP1 long only had 1 loser, 1 winner. Tick long had 1 winner. So strategy count 2 for 4 on the Nasdaq. 2 for 4 on the strategy count. And on the trade count, there were 6 trades. And there was, I guess, 4 for 6 on the trades. And so those are the trades. Let's look at the money management algorithm indicator. You can see most of the profits came at the very beginning of the day and the very end of the day. There's six contracts right here near the lows. And so that surge right here, there was an exit on that surge. And so short at the open, market went down, got long about 6 contracts on the S&P. This is the S&P market position indicator, and then kind of sideways during the day, and then at the end of the day we were net long, and so the equity curve went up again. And so Nasdaq, just not a lot of trades. You have one point here where it was long 4, and then but just a very slow day overall. So it's nice to capture some gains on a slow day. Very narrow range overall for the Nasdaq, relatively speaking. Let's look at the signal strength trader. No trades on the signal strength trader today. The market position trader, it took 2 trades right here and then exited 1. It was long 2 right here on the EVPs, and then 1 was stopped out, and then took this trade right here, took this trade, and the market position here was, it sold 1 there, and then you're long 2 here, and then exited 1, then it was long a second contract here. So you're keeping track of the net position. You see long 2, now you're only long 1, now you're long 2 after this entry, now you're long only 1, and then you add another trade there, you're long 2, and then you add another trade, you're long 3, up to 5, and then we exit at 15.45. So the market position trader was up 13.50 today. This just trades the Nasdaq. We could set up one for the S&P plus 13.20 on the day for that setup. Here are the trades on the micros. You can see, pause the video, take a look at the trades. with a just looking at these trades, there are 7 strategies that traded, and the trades are closely matching the S&P. The micro S&P is closely matching the E-mini S&P, and the micro Nasdaq is looks like it's closely matching the E-mini Nasdaq. So you can pause the video, check the trades on those, and take a look. Let's see here. Let's compress this. You can see both trades there on the EVPs, both trades on the Viper, 1 trade on the tick long, and so matching trading system signals on the micros today. So the market is waiting on, I guess, earnings and CPI on Thursday, trying to get above that 15,500. I've noted that I found that the market tends to go up the most on Monday nights over the past year, and so wouldn't be surprised to see the market try to go up on Monday night and try to create some support above 15,500 tomorrow and drive this up. The memory of any fundamental news that's bearish has been completely reset. Hit the reset button and focus on only the positive. Seems to be the mindset of the market, the liquidity in the market. So you have to trade with the flow, you have to trade with the order flow, you have to trade with the liquidity, and so the market is higher, and we were able to capture some gains today based on that. And let's look at the market internals. The VIX got crushed again today, down 7%, 1577. The liquidity wants to crush the VIX and drive up the indexes, and so that's what's happening right now. Regardless of the fundamentals, keep thinking the market's going to follow through the downside, or there'll be a bigger pullback, and then it kind of firms up and moves higher. So that's what we go with. We take long and short trades, and our algos were flat at the end of the day because it's a day trade program. And those are the trades on the day for Monday, August 7th, 2023.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.